Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, authentic, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I have the other video uploading, and the can of chili here is cold. I got lazy and started eating it, so I'm not going to put it in the microwave. So you'll see this video after the first one, and this is the Krusteaz honey cornbread mix. I never made it before. So there is what it looks like after a considerable amount of time in the oven. And I will take a bite. And it's not burned by any means. And I put extra honey in here. So it's falling off my fork here. And you can see this. Oh, that's really good. I've never made cornbread before. I love eating cornbread. Dipping it in chili. So, now you can cut this up into squares and have it, I don't know what chili or dips or nachos or something. I don't know because I've never made it before. I don't know what they do with it. All I ever do is when I go somewhere like a former Marie Callender's, I have chili and cornbread. So now, dump the chili in there. Hormel. I don't. A little bit of this and save the cornbread for later. And it didn't stick to the pan at all. And I found out one thing: don't do this in a soft-sided pan. And if your oven is toward the floor, because it's really hard to get it out of the oven. The pan keeps flopping. So when you get a hard-sided pan, a metal pan, not aluminum. All right, there's the chili. That's still really hot. I just took it out of the oven. That was a mistake, taking it off the plate with my bare hand. All right, we'll mush this into the cornbread. And mix it up with the, you can see if you could see this, you could see there's still steam coming out of the cornbread. There you go, it's that hot. So, now I've had more time the other night, and all of that, I would have gotten a bell pepper and mixed it in with the chili and heated it up, and I don't do sour cream, so would have been good though. Maybe some tomatoes or salsa or something. All right. But this is very hot. Not hot enough to burn yourself, but the pan is. Chili is steamy. You can see it coming. Or maybe, I don't know if you can, but I can. Oh, that is so good. I do this again. I will heat the chili up, and eventually maybe have a pan where I can take the whole thing and just stick it in the microwave. All right, one more bite. Well, thumbs up to Krusteaz honey cornbread mix. I'll have to look up after I've had some sleep what else you can eat with this. And I'm going to tear a piece off it. You can see what the inside looks like. And it's light, a little crusty, very crunchy, very sweet, very good. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a good night, a good morning. Wherever you are, stay warm, stay safe. Wet, cool, dry, or warm. And I will catch you next time as I eat more of this, and then got the other video uploading. And then I'm going to bed. I'm getting tired, and it is 3 minutes after 3. So, bye-bye for now, and I'm out of here. Bye.